Good morning, everybody. I'm going to close out the week here. I'd love to just get one more trade on. Oh, Powell's on a 9. Oh, then Trump. Oh, God. Oh, shit. Looks like we have a busy day today. Yeah, so I mean, so my thing right now is I look at this and I ask myself, you know, is New York cool with not being the ones that make the low? I don't think they would be. Seems a little uncharacteristic for Dude, I'm so excited for New York to open. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I just know it's gonna be electric. I'd really like to, I can't even believe I'm saying this, but I'd like to short. I just do not trust that, I do not trust that New York wouldn't want to make the low. It's just not part of their repertoire, usually. It's a decent low though. I'm gonna be playing with fire, shorting this. I think a decent low actually. And the reason why is because we put in a selling tail here. You know, we didn't have much of one over here, so this was a poor low. This one obviously we did. There's a lot of longing. Negative 12 billion delta. It's not crazy, but it's not brilliant. Trading economics. I haven't heard of that one. What do you think FOMC will do to BTC? The next one is what, September? Yeah, I think I've openly said this. I don't think I said it in free chat. I think that when the Feds cut rates, whether it's on the 25th or 6th or 7th of September, whatever that Wednesday is, or it's October 17th or whatever that Wednesday is that they have the FOMC, whichever one of those two FOMC meetings they cut rates, it's going to be one of those two. Whichever one they do, it's going to mark the exact top across crypto. Whenever they cut the Fed's fund rates, I'm gonna low leverage short the market and try not to think about it for a couple years. Is New York okay not being the ones that made the low? Are they cool with that? What would it mean to ruin everyone's day, though? That's the question. Dude, Unique, I fucking botched last night so bad. I was so pissed. I shorted here. Full port. My stop was above here. It wasn't even a stop. It was my liquidation price. And in chat, I'd even said we're going to do 113,400 and then nuke to new lows. And I shorted here. And then I set, because I had to go to bed. I was up till 2 a.m. or whatever. And I set my take profit here because I didn't know what was going to happen in the morning, and I figured I could re-enter. Like, for example, I could have re-entered here and it would be, virtually the same. I wouldn't skip a beat. I wanted to wait till New York. And man, if I would have actually been patient and shorted here, so I made money obviously, but had I been patient and shorted here like I planned, I would be in first place right now on the tourney, and it wouldn't be close. I would be like up. So I'm salty. I'm waking up with some salt in my mouth for sure. I botched it, dude. And I knew the plan. It's just I fucking haven't slept all week. I have literally a million things going on, so like I'm, sometimes trading really is just about clarity of mind. It has like nothing to do with trading itself. Yeah, man. I'm out here trying to make a miracle happen, dude. The fact that I'm fucking I'm only down 25% from break even right now. I mean, I'm in a range where like I'm right there, dude. I'm like right there to actually pull this off. Yeah, I mean, it all worked out. I handled it well. Because, I didn't close in here. And I held down to, in here. I just knew that we were going to come back down. I was like, wow, I just missed out on a bunch of profit, but I know we're going to come back down. And so, I mean, it worked out. But, yeah, I'd be in first right now for sure. It's fucking crazy. This weekend, I'm totally gonna like take off and relax. I'm going out of town for the weekend. So when I come back next week, I'm gonna be in pretty good shape to hit some good trades. My last like 7 less, maybe 5. My last 5 trades have all been full port. My last 5 trades, dude. And I've closed them all in profit. It's been insane. It's been an absolutely epic run to come back from almost 80% down to being 25%. I mean, I'm literally a sneeze away from being back to where I was, and I mean, to take first place, I have to be 1%, which is fucking nothing, bud. I'm gonna blow past that, dude. I'm gonna blow right past 1%. Yeah, I mean, you know, when I shorted here, I knew I might have been early because I anticipated price to come up here. But I thought to myself, in case it doesn't matter. I know for a fact we're not going to take out this high. I know we're going to drop to new lows. And so, I mean, you know, it all worked out kind of in the grand scheme of things. But yeah, I just, you know, I would have made a shit ton more money had I shorted. I would be in first place. Yeah, I mean, I normally don't trade like this, you know. Like, normally trading is very not stressful for me. Trading is super chill. You know, it's a very leisurely process for me to trade. It's normally just very relaxed. And I don't even size my trades. I let my, like, order overseer, I don't know if I'm sure you've heard of it. I talk a lot about it, but order overseer executes all my trades for me. So, like, I don't size, I don't do anything. I literally just chill. And I don't have to, like, yeah, my point is that this is just tournament trading. Normally it's not, I don't, you know, need breaks or nothing like that. It's usually very, very leisurely. It's very chill. This could definitely be a local bottom, but man, I don't know. I don't know if I trust it. Yeah, I don't know that I trust that. Okay. I think so. Gosh, you gonna run without me right here? Don't be like that. Come on, buddy. Don't be like that. Fuck you, man. Don't be like that. You got one more pop in you. No. Come on, buddy. Oh, man. Just does not want to pop up above this high, does it? Come on, lad. Come on, lad. Come on, lad. Yeah, the thing is I'm actually really good at trading tournaments. I once I was up 77%, late 2 weeks ago, I told myself too, I knew that was enough to win. I sat there, I'm like, I could just stop trading for the rest of the tournament. But that I-9 guy was at like 130, and I thought to myself, this guy's gonna blow up his account. I do not need to, like, it's time for me just to hold off on risk. And I don't know, I just got pretty competitive and just wanted to bury the guy, so that led to some mistakes, obviously. Once I get back to, you know, around, I mean, even right now, I'm already starting to mitigate my risk a little bit more, but once I get back into that break-even-ish, somewhere around in there, I'm just going to chill and hit, you know, regular trades throughout the week and control my losses. I mean, at this point, we're, like, nearing the end game, so it's kind of like, you got to go big or go home. But yeah, normally I don't, my trading strategy is usually go really, really big for the first few days, for the first week-ish, a little less. And then once I have a decent gain, usually like above 20% at the very least, then I start to just mitigate risks. And yeah, I didn't do that this time. I was swinging for I was shooting for the stars. Shooting for the stars. We're definitely going to be doing more of these tourneys. I love tournament trading. There's like nothing more fun to me. What do we think? Is this the low? Is this going to be the low? Swept weekly low, so it could be, yeah. You know, for me, it's not even about sweeping the weekly low. It was about sweeping the low from, I don't know, a long while back, right, all the way over here. This guy swept this low. A pretty weak sweep, though. It was an unimpressive sweep. What's up, Smooth Up? Tom, yeah, it's gonna be close. It's gonna be close. I'm gonna reach out to our rep and just talk about the logistics of doing that, but it's gonna be close. And I mean, I've ramped up my volume quite a bit, trying to help towards that goal. I don't know. Yeah, we might only get halfway there. Unless some people show up and start kind of hitting some trades or whatever. Yeah, it says 9 a.m. he starts speaking. Lord knows what that's gonna bring. Yeah, Trump and Powell are gonna do some work on the market today. Holy shit.
They say to only bring what you can carry. So with the all-new 2025 Ford Expedition Tremor, bring a lot.
Wow. Oh, that was a big fucking loss for me. Fuck. What did I just lose on that? Oh, God, that sucks. What a way to close the week. God damn it. Back down to 30%. Son of a bitch. Yeah, I just wanted that last little bit, didn't I? Well, c'est la vie, my friends. That is the way we close the week. Good on BTC, no doubt. I suspected that the low would be put in somewhere here. I did not expect that it would be this exact low, though. I really didn't. I didn't think New York would say, yeah, we're gonna let, you know, pre-market put in the low, and they totally did. I did not expect that at all. Had we swept this one more time, I was gonna be all in. But c'est la vie, what can you do? What can you do? And in the week, down 29%. Not bad. Not bad, all things considered. God, what a fucking lame ending that was, though. That was up pretty fucking good. God damn it. What a way to end the week. Dude, I can't even imagine what ETH is doing. ETH is fucking gone. ETH's gonna run to new all-time highs. Has Powell started speaking yet? Does anyone know? Wow. Wow. Absolutely vertical. Crazy. Wow. What a pump. Crazy. Crazy way to end the week. Amazing that we fucking pumped off that tiny little sweep. Crazy, dude. Got totally botched. This would have been a fucking sick long. What are the odds that Powell reverse Uno's this? Hit him with the reverse Uno card. Wow. Well, I would say the bottom's in. Set alerts to look to long down lower. Well, I suppose we'll call it on stream there. Yeah, man, I'll tell you, I really, you know, hindsight's always 20/20, but had this happened during New York session, I would have longed for sure. I just didn't think that they would do it pre New York, and they totally fucking did. What's been happening, if you take a look, we get this pre-market low put in, it comes up, and then we come back down and put in a new low. And this has happened several times. Take a look here. We put in a pre-market low, we come up, come down, 9 o'clock, right? You know, New York runs up, comes down, makes a new low. It's done the same playbook several times. Totally thought I would run it again, but this time the pre-market low held. Too bad. That said, this pump is fucking crazy. This volume, if you look at this volume, it encompasses all previous volume with the exception of this initial low. So what this tells me is that we're going to have some degree of continuation off of this pump. It would be wise to look for, you know, some kind of an entry off of it, likely, especially with Ethereum. I think ETH is very likely going to be running to to new highs. Fuck, it's so close. Look at that. Just fucking undid all of this PA in one candle. God, crypto is such a fucking beast. I'll be trading, you know, BTC throughout all this, and I think to myself, oh, you know, BTC has changed. It's not capable of doing moves like that anymore. And then sure as shit, it just fucking rips one, dude. It's unreal. So impressive, the volume it takes to do something like that. So we're going to go ahead and call it on stream. As always, thank you for joining me. Enjoy your weekend. We'll be back next week. Monday, I'm going to get I'm going to get some good rest over the weekend. We're going to be back next week, and we're going to, you know, I'm going to look to recover again. For that tournament, I took some losses today. Very unfortunate. Fucking very unfortunate. I just wanted that last little bit, and I didn't get it on that low. But c'est la vie. Wow. Yeah, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, my friends, enjoy your day. We will see you next week on Monday for our usual stream.